Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Inspired We Go. Today we want to show you around Campfire Lodgings Campground, which is on the top of a mountain outside of Asheville. So come along for the ride. Let's go.
So I guess just pull into this thing. So how was the drive up the mountain?
Oh, the drive up the mountain. Well, we were told that it was going to be the worst drive we've ever taken, and that people would not take their campers all the way up here. And this is a camper that we live in with all of our stuff, and why would we want it to bounce around? And then it was super steep. Okay, y'all, it was not that bad. It was not that bad. And it made me, I got up here and I was like, you know what? If we had listened to everybody along our adventures, our 17 years of adventures together, if we had listened to them, we wouldn't be where we are. Because there's always going to be somebody that's going to tell you that's not going to work out. But don't be that mindset. Don't let yourself follow somebody else's dream or listen to somebody else's naysaying. Get a burning desire for what you want. It will all work out. Take a step toward it and just follow it through as it goes. Shh. Oh my God, you're out of your crate. I mean, he's sitting behind me looking out the window crying. I mean, if we had turned around at the bottom, it's really not that big of a deal, but I'm just saying, if we had decided not to come up here, we would be missing this, hello, and I would be regretful because that was not a terrible drive. It was fine. We didn't even have to put the truck in four-wheel drive. It just rolled right on up here like, I'm just a dream. Shout out to Ford because you're a dream. We love our F-350. But seriously, put one foot in front of the other, take your steps toward what you want, and don't listen to anybody else because they're not living your life. They don't have to understand your life. And I promise you, the view from the top is a whole lot better. Spectacular. So we are here in one of their premium sites, which have a concrete slab for you to park your RV, as well as a patio slab, kind of picnic table, a fireplace, and then, you know, this nice gravel. I mean, it's just really well done. And then we're gonna take a little quick walk over and look at the deluxe sites. So here we are on a deluxe site, still a beautiful view, great scenery, great like atmosphere out here in the woods up on top of a mountain. They also have tent sites and they have yurts, which are so neat. Love the amenities here. They have some really cool stuff. They have horseshoes, they have cornhole, they have laundry facilities, they have restroom facilities and shower facilities. They have hiking trails.
Hiking trail?
I mean, this place is really, really great for, you know, just a nice getaway outside of Asheville, North Carolina. So they also have this cute camp store with lots of cool little gadgets and camping things, as well as some things for your RV. So you gotta check them out. They're a pretty small campground, so call ahead and make sure you can get a reservation. Thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like these campground reviews and a glimpse into some of the campgrounds where we stay. We hope you hit that subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure video. They come out weekly. And we are really excited to share our Inspired We Go adventures with you. Catch you in the next video.
Check out this view.